Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a message to your small group or to your parents using Mail Merge. So if you go to the hub and you go to your group page, up here at the top you can click on Group Actions and then Send a Mail Merge. And you can create a new one, or if you've done this before you can use a template that you've already done, but today we are going to create a new Mail Merge. And this is basically just a way to send an email to your parents or your students or both. And when they respond to the email, it'll actually respond to your email. And from there, the conversation can just be within your email. So you won't have to go back to the hub to do this. But this is a great way to start out without having to copy and paste everyone's emails into your own email. So you'll start out by just putting in all of the content. And you can add any attachments at the bottom. But then we're going to go on to choose recipients. And this is going to allow you to choose whether you want to send it to your students or your parents or both. So you can see up here we have your group, and you can send it to the members or the leaders. The members are just your students, and leaders would obviously be the leaders of the group. And if you do selected group participants, that's actually the students, and the primary contact and spouse is usually for their family. So the primary contact is usually the dad, and the spouse is usually the mom. So you can send it right here. It would be sending it to all of those people, the students, as well as their parents. Or you can do just the parents. And I want you to notice that if you include the leaders on here and you're doing it to the parents, that's going to do the primary contact and spouse for the leaders as well. So it might be sending it to your spouse or to your parents, depending on what you were put in the system as. So we're going to add recipients, and all of them are down here. This will show you if they have an email in the system. So some of them, it might put them in, but they won't be able to receive the message because they don't have an email in there. Step 3, we're going to send it, which I'm obviously not going to actually send it out today because this is a test. And basically you can click to do the email version. You would say yes, and then you would click send. And that's how to send out a message.